um, you want to build a robot, this is everything you need uh, to build a robot. The brain, uh, the brain, or in other words, microcontroller. For example, Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is if you don't know, it's a small computer. It's like a pocket-sized computer that it's Linux on it, and you can use it as the brain for your robot. And then the body or the frame, right? Where the body or the frame of the robot, depending on the project, is where you install all the components on the robot. And then the components itself, for example, a hand, arm, or motors, right? Motor, wheel, or things like that. Sensors. Sensors gives your robot information about its surroundings. Sensors like distance sensors, light sensors, touch sensors, or camera, depending on the project. Power source. Your robot needs some form of a power source, like a battery, to supply energy. A programming language, for example, Python or C++. A development environment. This is the software you use to write and upload code to your robot, and it often comes with the brain of the robot with the microcontroller. For example, in Raspberry Pi, there are tools inside Linux operating system. And then you need some hand tools, for example, a screwdriver or soldering iron, depending on the project. A computer for programming and development. You need a regular computer for programming and development of the code and the software. So that's how you build a robot and things you need to build a robot by yourself.